Hello, it's evening coffee with Toni and Tina. Toni's back.
I'm back.
And we're packing our little brains out, trying to get ready to go to
Norway.
with Arne and
Carlos.
Yay! So what we're gonna show you, you're getting two videos in the preparation for this trip, so that because I'm gonna be gone when you're expecting the next one. But soon we arrive in Oslo on Wednesday, which is way too late for me to get you any footage. But by next Sunday, you will be getting footage from Norway and our trip. Not yet our cruise, because by Sunday, I think when you see the upload on Sunday, we will be in Oslo schlepping around. And Toni and I are going to do some fun stuff before the tour starts, so that should be good. The topic of this video is, though, our progress on the temperature blankets. And Toni is much more on top of hers than I am, I got to tell you.
I've got 17 weeks so far.
So that means I should have 18.
That's up to date.
I should have 19, because I started 2 weeks early.
Oh.
How many did I have? 13. I have 13. I think there are 2 in there that are floating, but I haven't done any. I have not recovered yet from babysitting my grandchildren. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Now, I've been running around doing all kinds of other stuff. Including, what did we get day before yesterday?
Our 4th vaccine.
We got our 4th vaccine, so we are primed, although we're not going to be, oh look, we're even like sister arms. We're not going to be fully, we'll be at our finest at the end of the cruise.
Yes.
Maybe that's the time we
weeks.
should be at our finest, right? Maybe? I don't know. But we're prepared, at least for that. And we got our masks.
Yes.
And we have, I'm packing, Toni's packed. What else?
Well, we've packed and unpacked.
Yes.
Repacked.
And you haven't figured out, I have figured out how I'm going to sew back to our temperature blankets. Come on, we need to. Oh, we are going to be keeping track of our temperature blankets in Oslo.
Yes.
So look out for some blue. It's going to be more blue. It might even get cold. I don't remember. Did you even prepare for this? You might need to come up with colors.
I don't think so.
We always go the highest temperature.
It's in the 50s mainly, just
well,
like here.
They tell us to prepare for all weather, and that's our concern. And I don't know if I have plenty of temps to go down, but I'm not going to crochet. I'm already not planning on bringing it. I'm just going to keep track and then come home and do it, because I have too many other projects to bring.
I want to go get my little card so I can talk about the colors.
Okay. Oh, we're going to talk about the colors. Oh, because Toni has hers prepared. I am not that prepared. I wrote my names down. I didn't take little samples of yarn. And we did show these before, which I will link at the end of the video to the intro to this back in Arizona.
I just got a scrap of cardboard and went from red down to dark blue. Well, red is anything over 100 and dark blue is 39 and below. And it goes in.
It could get colder than that.
10 degree. I doubt it. I'm taking the high temperature of the day.
Oh, I always have been too, but I'm prepared.
And so far, I've been in that much of the
You've never got to the hottest of the hot or the coldest of the cold.
No, not
You're
yet.
probably never going to get to that one. Not spending the summer in the... Oh, but you're coming back in August.
Yes.
You might get to that.
But I'll be here in August.
But here in August, we hit 119 last year. And what was that? What's that?
100 or above.
Yeah, see, so you could get there.
That's true. I might make it red.
Thinking positively. I'm not sure that's positive, but yeah, but we could go below 32 if it gets stormy in Norway, we could go below that. I hope not. I really hope not.
Well, they're saying mid-50s, so
I really hope so.
However, we are traveling up as far as the Arctic Circle. So
yeah, we are.
It may be really cold up there.
In fact, we got mani-pedis today in prep, and it was funny when I went back the second time to get my half done.
Yeah.
She said, "Well, you're gonna have to wake up really early and stay up late and watch the sun up and the sun down." And I'm like, "There isn't gonna be one. It's daylight all day.
Yeah,
it's 24 hours of daylight, at least for part of it. I don't know if Oslo will be, but the rest of it will be."
I brought my eye mask.
I don't care. I don't mind dark. I'm all about the melatonin. I still don't know how I'm going to handle that.
It's like 24 hours, right?
Yeah, but as long as it's not shining in at us. Norwegian people who live in countries where there's 24-hour sun usually have really good window coverings.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We went to Iceland I don't know, 8 years ago, 10 years ago, and you wouldn't have even known that outside was light. You just pull those curtains and it's dark as dark can be.
Oh, really?
So yeah,
That's good.
they are prepared. Just like what Arne and Carlos said, that in the wintertime, if you look in people's windows, everybody's running around in shorts.
Yeah.
Because it's always warm in their house. They prepare for the all-night sun and they prepare for the warmth because they value it, as I would too.
Me too.
Yeah. All right, so let's see, temperature blankets. Do we have anything else to talk about? I don't think so.
No, we just got however many more weeks to go.
Yeah. Are we halfway yet?
No, because I'm at 17.
And 52 would be 26.
Yeah.
So we're like a fourth of the way through, I think. Oh my God. I'm not a very good height. And I will explain in the next video to you why I'm not very good at committing to projects.
I have like 4 months. January, February, March, April. So we've got like 8 months to go.
May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, we got 8 months to go. I'm really bad at long-term commitments. Yes, I've been married for... How long have I been married?
Over 20 years.
Yes, we've been married for 21 years. I've been married for 21 years, so apparently I can pull that one off. But long-term commitment crochet and knitting projects, I will discuss my dirty shame in the next video. Toni has witnessed my dirty shame.
This is the best I've ever done.
Staying on.
Term. Yep.
All right, this is Toni's, and we start here in January.
Yes.
This is January, all the weeks in January, and then there's this the next. February, March, April.
And then I came to Portland.
And then we'll discuss that in a minute. That's the color swatches. And then this is what happened. You know how I've been complaining about how I want to use some green and yellow in mine? This is what happened when Toni came to Portland. Clearly we have a very similar color palette, only I went colder. All right, now over here is mine, although I'm behind because I haven't been doing a good job. And, I should have started at the bottom. This is January. Let me think about this. Yeah, I think this is, I don't know where we started in Arizona. No, I think this is Arizona, home to Portland. And then this is when I went to California and I got to have some green and orange and it made me very happy. And then I came back to Portland and I think I have a couple more loose ones, but I also am behind because I haven't done any crocheting since I went to Portland. I haven't done anything except pack and move. Not the house. I've moved the shop. And now I've fallen behind again. So trips and me, not so good for long-term projects. That's bad. Because I'm about to be gone for a month. And I'm already like 3 weeks behind now. I don't have time to do it right now though. And the reason I'm not taking this project with me is I have a giant bag of yarn. And I don't want to carry that because I want to acquire yarn. Not that I need to acquire yarn because Toni can attest to my dirty shame, but I still have goals. And the goal is to acquire yarn or maybe a sweater, one or the other.
Me too.
Yeah, see?
I'm
You're going for longer
I'm going for longer than Tina is. I'm going to visit my son and I won't be back till mid-August.
Yeah.
So I have to take my project.
So Toni has
really
to take more.
behind.
Oh my God, can you imagine how far you'd be behind if you didn't take your... No, but you could. So here's our plan. We're using David's suitcase to haul crap that we don't need in Norway. So Toni has put half of a suitcase worth of stuff in his. You could tuck some.
Huh?
You could tuck some more in there. There's room.
No, it's okay.
She's being nicer than me. Maybe I should tuck some stuff in.
Well, there you go.
I could tuck these in because I don't think I'm going to need these, but I'm wearing my sandals. I like to wear sandals, but I really don't think I'm going to need them in Norway. But I like them and I wear them a lot when I'm in the UK. I don't know. I'll probably just be self-sufficient.
Well, I'm taking these plastic crock things because...
To go to and from the hot tub.
Yes, and, like if I'm at the beach or in a shower that I
You're going to freeze to death at the beach. Jesus.
In England?
Oh, in the UK, fine. But in Norway... Although, I will tell you, and I'll put the link below, we've been watching The Mudlark Lady. She's really good. It's really fascinating. And the one, I think it's Nicola White. She's the best one. We got put into some other ones that weren't as exciting. But she walks along the Thames River and finds old stuff, and it's pretty fascinating. So it kind of makes me want to go to the beach when we're in Norway and see if we can find any good junk.
She finds like old buttons and
pipes and coins and
yes,
yeah,
other little trinkets.
She found bones once of a human. She found human remains once.
Ew.
And she found a hand grenade once. It was crazy, and the hand grenade was live, so she had to put it. She didn't pick it up. She walked away and then called the police, and they came and blew it up. And there's a videotape of that.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
It was crazy. Yeah. And she finds guns. She found a gun the other day. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. And purses that people have stolen and thrown over. Sometimes she's a little slow on what it probably is, but...
She found somebody's passport the other day.
Yeah, it was... What was it from? I'm trying to remember. Was it a Russian
Russia.
Yeah, she found a Russian passport in the Thames. Yeah, that was weird.
She was going to turn that in.
Yeah, well, I think you're supposed to. And she also said once that if you find antiquities like Roman and real antiquities, that you're supposed to consult the Museum of London because it might be a museum artifact. There are rules when you find cool things. Anyway, we've digressed. I'm going to let you go for today and upload this video, and then we're going to make another video probably today. And we'll upload that on Tuesday, so that you're ready for us the following Sunday for the trip. I'll take video on the airplanes. I'll take video if it all goes awry, because there have been some glitches already. Like, I lost one of my plane tickets day before yesterday.
It'll be planes, trains, and boats.
Yep, planes, trains, and boats. Yes, it will. And hopefully yarn mills.
Yes.
I'm kind of excited about that. Anyway, that's it. We'll see you, I'll see you Wednesday. You'll see me Wednesday. That's the way I should put it. I won't see you. You'll see me Wednesday. Bye. And Toni.
Bye.
Okay.